Happy New Year to all of you and all of your families. Each new year gives us an opportunity to look back and see how God has been faithful in our lives. Even though we went through challenges, difficulties, even heartaches and sorrows, if you have made it through to this day, kung umabot ka ngayong bagong taon, it is evidence of God's goodness and faithfulness in our lives. Like how God's mercy and compassions are new every morning. I believe each new year can be full of hope because of God's great faithfulness. Let me encourage you with Matthew chapter 5, verses 14 to 16. Ang sabi ni Jesus, "You are the light of the world. A city that is set on a hill cannot be hidden, nor do they light a lamp and put it under a basket, but on a lampstand, so that it can give light to everyone who is in the house. So let your light shine before men, so that they can see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven." Matthew chapter 5, verses 14 to 16. This is the message of the Lord to His disciples. In Matthew chapter 5, Jesus saw the multitude, but it was the disciples who came near to Jesus on the mountain. So may difference ang multitude and disciples. Ang mga disciples ang lumalapit sa Panginoon. So in the next year, this new year, lagi tayong lumapit sa Panginoon as His disciples. Ang sabi ni Jesus sa kanyang mga disciples, "You are the light of the world." But remember, Jesus also said, He is the light of the world. Ang sabi ni Jesus, "I am the light of the world. He who follows after me will not walk in darkness, but will have the light of life." Ibig sabihin, ibinibigay sa atin ng Panginoong Hesus yung ilaw niya. If we have Jesus, if we follow Jesus, we have the light, and at the same time, we also become the light. And as light of the world, we are placed in a lampstand. Itinaas tayo ng Panginoon like a city on a hill. Why? So that our light can shine to those around us. God placed us in a higher visibility so that our light can shine in this dark world. Alam niyo, madilim ang mundo ngayon. Maraming problema ang mga tao. Maraming problema sa gobyerno, sa ating bansa, sa buong mundo. Marami ang nawawalan ng pag-asa. But praise God that there is hope in this dark world because God assigned His disciples to be His light in this world. Yun po yung ating assignment. That is our place in this world, magbigay ng ilaw. And we did not choose this assignment. It was God who assigned it to us. So it is best that we accept it and do our best to let our light shine for Jesus. Ang sabi ni Jesus, as light of the world, let your light shine so that they will glorify your Father in heaven. So gumawa po tayo ng kabutihan. Kahit madilim ang ating paligid, kahit may kadiliman dito sa mundo, patuloy tayong gumawa ng kabutihan. Because this is the way we can glorify God in heaven. Be the light of this world. Shine for Jesus. Again, Happy New Year to all of your families. I hope and pray we will be full of hope and that we will let our light shine this 2026. God bless everyone.